Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Joe Biden's Twitter feed. But before we get into it, if you wouldn't mind like, sharing, commenting, and subscribing, that would be great. So he just put out this tweet last night. It's time to put away the harsh rhetoric, lower the temperature, and listen to each other. To make progress, we must stop treating our opponents as our enemies. We are not enemies. We are Americans. And let me just say, um, it is a nice sentiment. Whether he believes that or not might be completely different. You can look at the comments below to see how people really feel about his tweets. Democrats don't like it. I'm sure Republicans would be more on board with this than Democrats. So look at this first one. Joe, please listen. We were abused and traumatized for 4 years. People who are abused can't just lower the temperature and listen. Please consult with psych experts on how to deal with large scale trauma. We are traumatized. I'm not even going to comment on that one. Please listen to progressives. You won this election by a broad alliance. Keep it. You will need it. Solidify it. Please put more climate change activists in positions around Kerry. Well, I've seen his cabinet, and I don't think climate change is um up there on the list of their agenda. Anyway, I agree, but so when someone says I agree, but that means that they don't agree with you. Rule of law must be enforced, and no one should be above it, sir. And who are they talking about? Who is above the law? By that definition, Joe Biden and his son should be in jail, or at least criminally prosecuted. Too late, Joe. Way too late for that. You reap what you sow. You will give the full treatment that Dems gave real Donald Trump. No quarter given. Okay. I hope not. Um, yeah, I mean, they're already running like full-fledged stories on his like stupid cat. Um, anyway, most Democratic leaders say these days are Marxist masquerades as libs. Hard to consider Marxists to be anything but enemies of our republic. That one's a good one. Not to make, I don't even know who this guy is, but not to make progress. To make progress, you need to start loving America, not yourselves. You don't know the first thing about Americans, which most people don't know anything about the Constitution. Makes sense. You better treat Nazis as the threat that they pose. They are not going to go away after the person who encouraged them leaves the White House. Well, people like David Duke actually support the Democratic Party. You wouldn't know this. Not that David Duke is a threat in any way. Um, these leftists are burning down cities, terrorizing communities, and unfortunately, the peaceful protesters, which is the majority of them, don't stand against them, and the media does not treat them as different. That is a problem. You know, it's I like that. That's but yeah. He tweets a lot of stupid stuff. So we have this last one. We have no time to lose in the economic crisis we face. What and build our economy back better. He wants to go into a lockdown, which will destroy our economy even further. So I don't know what he's trying to put the point there. This got 3.3 million likes. Um, I wish he would just say, "I'm honored that 25% of the country chose you." Um, Then the other 25% was Trump, and 50% don't care either way, which is to be expected. But yeah, that's the whole video. God bless you and have a wonderful day.